Now, coupon is sharp pass with me tuning into this video. Also, who thumbnail ya boa a brandy be ya sponsor nama and ne ameno say or Canada Ocean atie na ene ye be release process acquire ye fast why ye de ne fe na amount. As a consultant go to global ye mission I see any so and see ye be boa enipa 20,000 amount me to kwan akun cry do makuma including Canada. Tina ye these type of videos. In a brandy or buy mami kind of story kakra and show a brandy ne buy no den say go ni tibu obi Jimmy or apply for school ewo Ontario, right? When your school kama but a brand no Drew Junction bisono no who says onya sponsorship anything no unimadia e man ye manage pa kwan of us hu ye eye obi a ya boa no da e na ode asem ya make nkoto ne na nipa no hwe sa on se unim o problem a wo face sese ano mean die mintimi mboa ba me wo consultancy bi a minimum a omudi Kulturu Global omubetimi aboa me wo no man a brand no e contact yen e na ode the same asemi ebeto anim se onya sponsorship so bad oni bibia e betre se okwa obetimi atwea ne fees and it Kulturu Global yes so no ya sponsor na ne bibia go through and or Canada ntia na mebe ma framework no because as a consultant we want to help a lot of people now that a lot of people now you per se ye boan ye nim se enye obia na obefa ye so enya da amwan obi wo no ma obefa ye video a ye release so no de enya da amwan ti wo bra woni na menkasa nkyerɛ me pese me boa wo eni ntia na mebe ma framework kwan a ye de guy no of fast wa of fame na ya hwe how a ye sponsorship no esi be brema esi boa no se ne be ya ebia na wosusu no wuni awofo bi bia na wuni wo fa bi obe sponsor wo hwe me video ya ebetimi aboa wo amwa thinking about ideas na ebia wa start ya contact companies a ebia omo betimi aboa wo at the end of the day no cry no you need sponsorship a them say can go through global we are here for you. No one thing I'm person o channel so and say guy ya ye den information ebe to dwa ye client bia ye ka no ho asem bia no yen we care so much about privacy ntinipa na ye di kan ne kasa say o ye okay see ebebo din and as yen keeping it private na yenye bibia as anonymous and also there be open anonymous on person ni din ne nyoma bebem tino and nyoma bebre a mekeka wa hanum say I will try my best to hide his identity ntino say ebia hu say mimbo nipa ni din a ehun ne say ebia ye boa na say bibisa but a permission I'm free nipa no de minyae and I'm working with ntino me pacho say wo hanum say na so utemi a branty e 31 years of age me say identifies how the oil electrician e Ghana and a drew point to be no person wo koto na addition so oye bema them zika no ade obenya free e honum e sponsorship ntino na academic record na na ekura na dada ntino o submit no to IRCC no the acceptance letter na waje no additional with the invoice which is the invoice of the initial deposit no de nyina e kan ho nti owie no and oba bank statement no so now the brainer you familiar with personal bank statement sponsorship ne papa father bank statement in there but you are not familiar with business sponsorship a quite be in a business befa obetimi sponsor we no as Kulturu Global as consultant no ya amfa your consultancy business in the sponsor and that is not what we did but your other company because Kulturu Global is based here in the United States so your sharp brand in the case now we need any personal fancy biani bibianti na quite be ni beso ebeboa so I contacted and then I hooked him up with one of the companies yani omo adwuma with the sponsorship no and omo boa abranti the first omode a scholarship bank statement a company na nkasa bank statement and omode man but they have a separate fund omode boa almost like a donation and omo printed 4 months history statement and company no esa man scholarship certificate company be ebe scholarship amount they are just not going to tell you so they are scholarship amount they are going to give you some form of proof ebia within that's why you design the camera you say it goes to Mr. Asimesi for the great academic performance blah 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 blah. It could be anything. Company be a sponsor because sure at least they will give you some form of certificate be a prove say ampa this year and this date yeah this award Emma Nipa ABC na definitely business name or scholarship you need to provide the business certificate made dia afama brand no na eka because a brand say send me a video na order so Ghana na wonya ne visa menye because enye proof Emma it doesn't mean say solid but we bibia wenya ne visa no ama or Canada sisi am no say this is a solid proof say yes something like this is accepted and yeah accepted I'm not going to come here and talk about anything no or de sa nyoma miensa way a statement so no and na business certificate no the last one wahanum say ya almost etro ye scholarship statement yes a company no etro represent say ampa wo and our modema wo this is the reason why our modema wo say and our mobile cover tuition ni na be cover full tuition information as almost state na company na assign omo letterhead ni bibia e was so contact information ni ade e was so there were 4 things onye free company ni honoma ye ema no nti owie ye na call home ties e den na kire se okọ Canada na okosua de obesa baba so wa hanum say you know say that's not news and nti na me say this is not a beginner's video nti home ties no na owo ba nganga etwa onye D1 kra nti no ode ono so ode ni proof echo bi you know akra no birth certificate ni ade a e kire se ono na ye father no ode share so bi ena na osa wo land e wo Ghana nti eno so no ode share so now yenko employment evidence or your chief electrician na wa ye adwuma for 7 years ena oje introduction letter if free adwuma the framework na ma wo nti sa na ma we so we will be na so betimi anya access to it please paka o case no because hey me person me boa I want you to win honestly I do 20,000 people are on betu kwan in the next 5 years to come enye mission ke 20 ye video bia na me bompa ye gu so say obi biara obehwe video we bia a obi take some of the tips and also obi take some of the advice I may fa kra obey no em fa man just with the fact that we show me video no kra no officer no e be approve what type aim in or comment section and introduction letter oje free na dwuma and steady leave we pay and also so no oje ho letter na sa ne o ma we nyina ojeje ye no na eba ha we so eba ha academic record no so ha eba he fa statement of purpose and a statement of explanation we ye letter o de be blend this an o ma wajiji nyina nim so submit to the IRCC as all compress ne o ma nyina na submit because ye nko interview nti no this is the letter ebe boa am explaining documents how dey be nyina pam or submit ye no be wo ho no ma na one of our team members. The team member from no si Fifi pana ye sponsor no na ye boa no man you know the visa have come through is excellent. I'm like thank God man need you so much say your clients eba na unya visa the way I celebrate you should come and see me in my house nya kra nka me pop champagne I get so happy because yeah etimi aboa wo because yen a ye hwan Oturu Global is a whole team bebre na da bia me ye video amuhu me pe but a team with brilliant people right Emmanuel Eturu ewo US Hanum say onu na ye media expert osa eboa with the US process or boa with SOP writing near there yeah team no we have excellent people omo akusu ni made ankasa and our masafa processing nimti and no kra na ye me de no enioma ye boa adofo amoma ye nyina no then we've been through it okay they were nanama ono ena eye your customer support representative some majority of the times over contact ya nanama ebe answer your Aziz Tariq all the way in Canada intimacy ye kasi ye do ko Canada trust me and yes ye te baby ne ye kan ye te Ghana ne ye kan ye te baby there be ye will roots e wo honum ya ye boan we are there ourselves okay at the same time no these team members these brilliant excellent professionals yeah ye nyina ya ka ye ho abom as Oturu Global ye boy ye nyina ye wo one purpose ne say ye be boy ye krom Ghana that time ya ye ba num say ye katri ni ade don't say into no Aziz Tariq so eboa with the Canada process client bi ba na ye boa na all 4 of us on deck ye nsa som bi because ye pesi application ye de kwa ye 100% approving to make sure say you put in the necessary work even say a compo na say anya 100% approval why because you need to meet on that level okay the best that we can do as a consultant is say best on say I'm out the whole process but at the end of the day sometimes it's me kona sababa and then it's a refusal but when it's a refusal what do we do as a consultant yes I when pano man reapply for free engineering because your mission and it say ube free point A no akọ point B oh your logo no IKS fashion mami yes na plane na be tremco your mission no we want to see you in that plane and a Fifi Kumsen mesoso and I'm a wahanum say I've been here in the US for 16 years process ya making and you say be am ka ho asem film until I know exactly what I'm talking about so all this brilliant team put together and no and for me Oturu Global until baby biara obehu ye bia no me fa cha nye nipa ba akopɛ ye do so pa so te ase nti so wahanum say ya na se ebia wo hwe video se enoma mo ken edoso mame mehia mmoa ebia wanya wo school awie wunya wo school ebi kra afi na wo ye researcher you will free assessment form wo betimi afele wo fill that assessment form na ebetimi aboa na ye de ahwehwem ehu sa ampa wo qualify and answer unqualify for even to be an international student and you person wo fill free assessment form na ye hwe se ye betimi aboa na ye ntimi mboa wa wo hwe YouTube description ya se ya and baby biara wo hwe mi bia na wo hwe description ase ya wo behunu me the assessment form link at one mo click so na no forms be beba filling out o qualify you be reach out to you near me wo hu near e wom ene ekwan a ye be fa so ye betimi abo at the same time so no Oturu Global your community platform you free no busa wo questions eda wakoma so ye meetings every Wednesday bia e wo Zoom so meeting time you draw near the link abetu mo click link so na ba question bia bebusa bia ye nje e free so join here check it description na see me dey atum say join Oturu Global community click link so WhatsApp group into no oba yen kasa wo me share valuable information to say the me share wa hanum say at the same time so no e bia no wan feel assessment person oni ye kasa other services are you provide the US DV lottery a ban so we renew you betimi aboa mo process US immigration process and also you betimi aboa e ban work migration person okoye adwuma wo UAE and also you betimi aboa student visa wo US ne Canada and also you betimi aso onsa aboa person oni ye edi nkoma ye number no in egu hanum say no 774946596 o contact ye be kwa kosi WhatsApp na nama ebejo so anything no me da se pass utimi be video is so wa hwa am wani age ho na say bia wadamfo bi ono so ye Canada akwantu na so person in the share because Canada. Take the link and share it to the person because the more now I will share this video we no na enkrofo a wo mo hwe video we no mu nyanyansa efrim ama ebeboa or more traveling processing. No we age video we mama so much value anka wunya no baby won homoden and I'm saying mama value there. Can you give me something back? Let's subscribe. That's all I'm asking you to do. Subscription and Joshi free. It just keeps you connected. Send you release valuable information be to say you releasing neya sabeka any other resources beyond me woman will be on check YouTube description as a motivation amount. Why me da se nyami show.